This video is for number 5 on the final exam practice problems. All right, Music Manager Limited estimates that monthly revenue RFT in thousands of dollars. So remember, when you get your the revenue, in one of your answers, remember to multiply by 1,000. Attributed to his website, T months after the site was launched, is given by RFT equals 0.05 e to the teeth power. Okay. A, find the average monthly. Okay, so we're going to find the average monthly revenue attributed to the site for its what? First 4 months of operation. All right, so 4.4, well, part of 4.4 was asked on your exam 3, but then the second part, the average, I never put that on your exam. So this is it. If you look at the second page of 4.4 notes, I did ask you to find the area of a region bounded by 2 graphs on number 8 on exam 3, remember? But I never really got to put an average problem, average value of a continuous function on your exam. So this is what you're going to use. Let's see if I can just copy this formula down and put it on the note for you. This is what you will need to use to solve number 5. Okay, so let me go ahead and add it over here for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and you know, with your final exam being open note, I want you to use all the resources. Just make sure to submit a really great exam for me. All right, let's go ahead and find that monthly, average monthly revenue. So I'll just call it Y average, just like the formula, equals 1 over B minus A. But we got to figure out these endpoints, A and B. Notice that they said first 4 months of operation, right? First 4 months. So the interval is going to be from month 0, the moment they open this website, up to 4 months. So your A is 0, and B is 4. So you will do 4 minus 0 times integral from 0 to 4 of our RFT function, dt. So if I simplify this, we're going to just find that definite integral from 0 to 4 of 0.5 e to the teeth dt. All right, let me pull out this 0.5 to the front. So I'm just going to make it join this divided by 4 in front of it so that I can just integrate this e to the t dt. Okay? Alrighty, what's that going to be? First of all, if you divide a 0.5 half by 4, is that a nice? I'll just leave it as 0.5 divided by 4. Now let's do the antiderivative of e to the t, which is going to be just e to the t, right? Awesome. And the bounds are from 4 to 0. So this will be 0.5 divided by 4 times e to the 4th power minus e to the 0th power. Alrighty. So let me grab a calculator and I will type this in. Going to a calculator app. Okay, what was it? It was 0.5 over, oopsie, I put 5. 0.5 over 4, and then parenthesis e to the 4th power minus e to the 0th power. Well, that's just going to be 1 anyways, but I'll hit enter. And I remember this is the revenue, the unit was in what? Unit was in thousands. So I'm going to just go ahead and multiply this answer by 1,000. Hit enter. So the revenue, if I round it to the nearest cent, it's going to be $6,699.77. Alrighty, let's go ahead and type that answer or write that answer. Okay. So this comes out to be, well, that came out to be 6.69976. So the average monthly revenue for its first 4 months is going to be $66.99.77. So this is the answer for A. All right, let's go ahead and do B. Find the average monthly revenue from Music Manager's site for month 3 through month 5. So month 3 to month 5. So I guess month 1 is 0. So when they said month 3 to 5, we're using what? 2 to 5. Okay. All right, so let me go ahead and write down B. The same exact formula, right? But here, the T's that we're using, or the bounds that we're using in 2 are 5. Oopsies. So Y average is going to be 1 over 5 minus 2 times integral from 2 to 5 e to the teeth dt. This is 1/3 times e to the teeth, evaluated at 5 minus 2. So what's that going to be? 1/3 times, whoopsie, you know what I forgot, right? In our function, we had that 0.5. You know, I shouldn't probably put it there. In our function, we had a 0.5. So let me go ahead and stick that 0.5 in here. I forgot that our function had a 0.5. And then I'll just pull it out. Oh, I almost lost that. All right. 0.5 over 3 times e to the 5th power minus e squared. All right, time for me to go to my calculator again. I'm just going to copy this. 0.5 divided by the denominator was what? 3 again. 3 for this one, right? Delete. Whoopsie. Oh my goodness. Let me see. 3. And then it was e to the 5th power minus e to the 2nd power. If I enter. Okay. They're doing much better in that month. So if I'm going to, in those months, I'm going to go ahead and multiply this by 1,000. Because the unit was in thousands. So the answer is $23,504.02. Okay, let's go ahead and write that answer down. So first, this came out to be a decimal of 23.50402. Therefore, the answer will be $23,504.02. So these are the answers for number 5A and number 5B.